In this video, I will guide you how to add products to your Shopify store and organizing them into collections to make shopping easier for your customers. By the end of the video, your store will be organized and professional. So let's get started. To add a product, start by going to your Shopify dashboard, then click on products in the left menu and then select add product. Then here enter the product title. Add a clear eye-catching product name that describes what you are selling. For example, classic leather jacket. Then write a product description. Use Shopify's AI text generator to save time. Click generate text. Provide a few product details. Then choose a tone like expert and let Shopify create a perfect description for you. Then upload product images. Click add media to upload high quality images that showcase your product from different angles. Drag your favorite image to the top to make it the main product image. Then set the price and inventory. Enter the price under pricing, enable track quantity and input your stock levels. Then add variants. This is optional. If your product comes in multiple sizes or colors, scroll to variants and click add variant. For example, create options like small, medium, large or black, brown, gray. Once everything is ready, click save to add the product to your store. Now let's create and manage featured collections. To create a new collection, go to products, then collection and click on create collection. Name your collection something like topics or new arrivals. For collection type, choose manual so you can select products yourself. Then add products to the collection. Scroll down to products and click browse. Select the item you want to include and click add. Then feature the collection on your homepage. Go to the online store, then themes and click customize and add a featured collection section. Link it to the collection you just created. Drag it to rearrange its position. Placing it right under the hero banner works best for visibility. And that's it. You have successfully added products, set prices and inventory, and create collections to organize your store. These steps will make your store look professional and help your customer to shop with ease. In the next video, I will show you how to set up payments, configure shipping rates, and add taxes, so your store is ready to start accepting orders.